Yet again, another funny animal video to brighten up your day. Follow us for more.
What the heck is going on here?
Bro. Oh, what? What?
I told you, you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out. Is that better? Now let's see. Oh, look at that.